Agastya Muni lived an extraordinary life, and it is believed he also lived an extraordinary span of life. The legend says that he lived for 4,000 years. We do not know. So we do not know exactly how many years. So, looking at the amount of travel he did, he definitely lived an extraordinary span of life and touched every human habitation and made spiritual process not as a teaching, not as a religion, not as some kind of philosophy, but just as a part of life. It is just, you can only repeat what he has said. Whatever you think is a brilliant idea, if you come up with it, you will see he said it over 15,000 years ago. What Charles Darwin said 200 years ago, which is a revolution in human thought, that life can evolve from one dimension to another, is an absolute revolution. But this did not happen 200 years ago, this happened a few thousand years ago. Agastya Muni, he said it categorically, he did not leave any ambiguity about it. When Charles Darwin said it, there was ambiguity about it. People could argue with it. When we say, from this evolved what is considered or referred to as the avatars, the 9 times, the 9 different forms in which the divine appeared. The first form was fish. The second form was a turtle. The third form was a boar, a wild boar. The fourth form was half man, half animal. The fifth form was a dwarf man. The sixth one was a full-fledged man. The seventh one was a much more evolved man. Eighth one was a pure, loving and meditative quality of a man. The ninth one was an extremely meditative man. These things were said thousands of years ago. Charles Darwin or Darwin's theory of evolution is 100% in line with this expression of divine finding manifestations in the form of a fish, that is life within water, turtle, half in, half out, amphibious, then a wild boar, which is solidly grounded animal, then half man, half animal, then a dwarf man, then an evolved man, a fully evolved physical man, an angry man. Parshuram is one of the avatars, a very angry, fighting man. The next one is a loving man, then a pure, loving and meditative quality of a man. Like this was given thousands of years ago.